In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Sendwave account. By the end, you'll have your account set up and ready to go with a clear understanding of each screen you'll see along the way. Start by opening your Sendwave app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that the app is updated so everything loads smoothly. On the welcome screen, tap sign up. This begins your registration. When prompted, enter your full name. Use your real complete name as it appears on your identification, since it helps keep your account consistent and avoids issues later. Next, type in your email address. Pick an email you can access easily, since it may be used for notifications or account recovery. Now look for the small flag icon next to the phone number field and tap it. This opens the list of country codes. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find your country code, like selecting United States if that's where your number is registered. Once you've chosen the correct code, enter your mobile number, make sure it's a number you can receive text messages on, and double check for typos. You'll see a prompt that says, "Where are you sending first?" Tap that and choose the country you plan to send to initially. This helps personalize your experience and set the right defaults. You'll also see a checkbox. Read the note beside it. It's typically related to agreeing to the app's terms and confirming your details, and then check the box to continue. When everything looks correct, tap sign up. Sendwave will send a verification code to the phone number you entered. Keep your phone nearby, and when the code arrives, type it exactly as shown in the app. Entering the correct code confirms that the number is yours. Don't share this code with anyone. Next, you'll be asked to create a PIN. Choose a secure 4-digit code that you can remember, but that others won't guess easily. Avoid simple sequences or anything tied to your birthday. Tap Create PIN, then re-enter the same PIN to confirm it, and tap Confirm PIN. Keep this PIN private. It protects your account. If everything was entered correctly, you'll see a message confirming that your account has been created. That's it. Your Sendwave account is now set up. From here, you can explore the app at your own pace. If something doesn't look right, you can revisit your details in the app settings. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new account.